or you can apply 1 to 2 drops with fractionated coconut oil for tight muscles and joints. Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to be talking about the benefits and uses of marjoram essential oil. Also known as wintersweet or joy of the mountains, marjoram was known to the Greeks and Romans as a symbol of happiness. Marjoram has been used in culinary dishes, imparting a unique flavor to soups, stews, dressings, and sauces. In modern applications, marjoram is valued for its calming properties and its positive effect on the nervous system when used internally. It also supports both healthy cardiovascular and immune systems when ingested. The top 3 common uses of marjoram essential oil from Doterra are aromatic, so breathing it in, topically, so if you can point to it, you can put it there, as well as internally. The main benefits of marjoram are that it targets tired and stressed muscles, has calming properties, flavors food, and supports healthy immune system and nervous system function. The directions for use are substituting 1 drop of marjoram per 1 tablespoon of fresh marjoram in recipes for added therapeutic value and flavor. You can also inhale directly from the bottle or put 1 to 2 drops in the palms of your hands and breathe in to help with stress, or you can apply 1 to 2 drops with fractionated coconut oil for tight muscles and joints. And I like to use Doterra's fractionated coconut oil because it's a great carrier oil that's non-greasy, has no smell. It reduces the concentration and therefore reduces the risk of irritation of the essential oil when you apply the fractionated coconut oil or FCO on first, and cover larger surface areas on your body topically. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, hit subscribe for future video updates, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I'll see you in the next video.